My name is Souzana. Welcome to Love Belly Dance, my Oriental style belly dance vocabulary series. I'm going to teach you a hip circle. So on a previous video, we went over hip slides and the horizontal pelvic slides, and now we're going to put the two of them together. So to begin, we start in our balanced supported posture. Toes are forward, knees are soft, it's about fist width apart, between our feet, core is supported here. And so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do our slides. So we're gonna firm up through the thighs, firm up through the glutes, legs are fairly straight, one knee is not bending more than the other. Okay, so we've got our hip slides here. And then we've got our pelvic slides where we're leading forward with our front of our thighs, and as we come back, our lower abs pull in the direction of our sacrum. So here's our sacrum. So we really want to feel that our lower abs are pulling back towards our sacrum and that our sacrum is reaching towards that back wall. Okay, so we're going to first identify our isolation points. So our isolation points, if we were standing in the center of a clock, we've got 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So my left hip is going to reach toward 9 o'clock. So instead of starting on count 1 at 12 here, I'm going to start before the count of 1 at 9 o'clock, and I'm going to go left hip to 9 o'clock, and then I'm going to go 12 o'clock. So the front here comes to 12 o'clock in the clock face, and then right hip comes to 3 o'clock, and then my sacrum comes back and touches 6 o'clock on the face of the clock. So my points here are side, front, side, back. My legs are fairly straight here. One's not bending more than the other. I'm squeezing my glutes as my hips come forward. I'm sliding, really kind of straightening out my thighs, like straightening my legs, engaging my thighs and glutes, pulling back. I'm really going to feel a transfer away from the side of my foot into my toes, into the right side of my foot, and then back in my heels there. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and turn around for you. So if I'm going to go clockwise, I'm going to start left hip, and then forward, and then right, and then back, and side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, and then I'm going to circle. I'm going to smooth that movement out, and I'm going to try to swipe my hips along all the way around that clock face. So the front of my hips, swipe along the numbers of 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6. The back side of my hips swipe around the numbers, and it creates a hip circle. I'm going to turn to front again. So what you will notice is that you can do different size hip circles. When we're in that basic position and we're smoothing out those isolation points into a circle, so medium size post-pelvic hip circle. You want to imagine that you have a post running down the center of your body, and that the front of your hips is coming around the front of that pole, the back side of your hips are coming around the back side of that pole there. And we can also step out wider, and as we do this, we're reaching the hips out. We're going to bend the knees a little bit more when we come forward, squeezing the glutes, come around the back, forward, back, forward, back. Bring it around again, nice and tight. You can even bring it in a little bit tighter. So if you imagine that it's just really tight around that post that's running down the center of your body. Let me go ahead and turn to the other side. We're going to go ahead and do the other direction. We're going to go 3 o'clock, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, and then we're going to smooth it out. So this is our medium-sized post-pelvic hip circle. We can also step it Or we can bring the feet back together and make it really itty bitty. So that is our post pelvic hip circle, or just a hip circle.